Hi everybody, welcome back to the TETRIX RoboByte video series. This is Tim from Pitsco Education. In today's RoboByte, I want to talk to you about the TETRIX MAX 6mm axle. This is brand new for this particular year, and the main difference is the fact that this is now in a new length. We have it in the 100mm length. It is a D shaft. It is part of the motion category in the TETRIX ecosystem, and it's used like typically most axle shafts would be used in the context of mounting a wheel or creating motion elements through channel. I have an example of the different lengths. Now with the new 100mm length, we have three different sizes: 100, 80, and 40, all in the 6mm diameter. So this becomes especially important for max applications because it provides that extra strength with the additional diameter of the axle. It now is the same diameter as the motor output shaft, so it becomes easier to use in the max applications because now we can use the motor hub as the common mounting point between all of the channels instead of using an axle hub and a motor hub. We now only have to have one because of the common size of the 6mm OD of the axle shaft itself. So again, the common use would be that it is a mounting point between motion elements, but maybe an uncommon use might be the fact that when I mount two hubs on either side, I actually could use this as a spacing element to provide and lock in two beams at specific space, adjustable space between each other, or the fact that I just could use it as an actuator or some type of a gripping element, again, because it's basically just a post. So we could use it in those as kind of an uncommon application. Things to look out for are troubleshooting tips. Remember, because of the OD, it does take the motor hub, not the axle hub, so that's something to keep in mind. And it will require the 6mm bushing that normally is associated with prime. So we'll need that 6mm bushing to be able to mount that through the channels. Additional resources you can always find at pitsco.com at the bottom of each product page. On the axles, you'll need to choose the size for the particular axle pack, and then you'll find things like spec files, CAD files. Everything you need to know about that part will be at the bottom under resources. So like we always say, have fun, build some robots, come back and see us.